There is nothing more frustrating than being halfway through a PC build, only to realize the tiny screw meant to hold your M.2 drive in place has vanished into the carpet abyss. It happens to the best of us. That is exactly where this little hardware kit steps in. Instead of hunting through old junk drawers or waiting on a replacement part from a manufacturer, this set basically hands you the solution on a silver platter. It covers 13 different types of screws, which sounds like overkill until you actually need that one specific standoff for a motherboard or a fan screw that doesn't strip the moment you look at it. The alloy steel construction feels solid enough, and the zinc finish gives them that standard, clean look you expect inside a modern case. What really makes this kit stand out, though, is the inclusion of a magnetic screwdriver. It is a small touch, but it saves so much headache when you are trying to navigate the tight corners of a cramped ITX build. You are not just getting a bag of metal, you are getting a bit of insurance against those annoying build day delays. The addition of 20 cable ties is a nice bonus, too, because let's be honest, nobody likes a messy cable situation behind the motherboard tray. Now, is it perfect? Well, the plastic container could be a bit more robust. If you drop it, those tiny compartments might spill their guts, and you will be spending your afternoon sorting screws by size again. It would have been great to see a more secure latching mechanism on the box itself. Also, while the variety is impressive, some of the threads on the smaller M.2 screws can feel a little tight depending on the motherboard standoff you are using. You have to be careful not to force them, or you might end up with a stripped head. But for the price, it is hard to complain too much. It is one of those things that you might not think you need until you are staring at a bare motherboard and a loose SSD. Whether you are a professional who is constantly swapping parts or just someone who likes to tinker with their rig on the weekends, having this sitting on your desk is just smart. It turns a potential showstopper of a problem into a 30-second fix. It is not the most exciting piece of tech you will ever buy, but it is definitely one of the most practical. If you're planning any kind of upgrade, having this stash of hardware nearby is just going to make your life a whole lot easier.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.